Chana masala, Indian masala, literally mixed spiced small chickpeas, also known as channay, chole masala, chole or chole, plural, is a dish from the Indian subcontinent, notable in Indian and Pakistani cuisine. The main ingredient is a variety of chickpea called chana, or kala chana, meaning black chana. They are twice the diameter of typical chickpeas with a stronger flavor and firmer texture even after being cooked. Chole is the name for the larger and lighter-colored chickpea commonly found in the West. These are known as kabuli Chana A2 in Hindi-Urdu. Chana masala is fairly dry and spicy with a sour citrus note. The flavor usually comes from coriander and onion. Chana are usually replaced by chole in most restaurants, and both versions are widely sold as snack food and street food in India and Pakistan. Ingredients. Along with chickpeas, the ingredients of chana masala typically include onion, chopped tomatoes, coriander seed, garlic, chilies, ginger, dried mango powder, amchur, sometimes spelled amchur, crushed pomegranate seed, anardana, and garam masala. Regional dishes. India. In India, it is often eaten with a type of fried bread and is known as chole bhature. It is commonly sold by street vendors, but can also be found in restaurants. Pakistan. Aloo chole is a Pakistani variation of chana masala made with potatoes as well as chickpeas. In Lahore, a variation of the dish called murg chole is used. Moroccan. Chickpea butternut tagine is a variation from Moroccan cuisine made with spices and roasted squash. The dish is served over hot steamed or flavored couscous. References.